Welcome to the tutorial video of Holy Stone Remote ID. The initial right. Download the Drone Go 2 app. Hold the power switch for 2 seconds to turn on the remote ID. Wait for the status indicator to turn from flashing quickly to solid. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Initiate AuDAV search for the remote ID. Tap on the series number of your remote ID and the right-in interface. Fill in the required information in the input fields and then tap on Save. The next step is to restart the remote ID. After each write/rewrite, the user must restart the RID. Otherwise, the RID won't broadcast the written information. To alter identity information, hold the power switch for 2 seconds to turn on the remote ID. Within 5 seconds of pressing the power switch, press it again. Initiate a device search for the remote ID. Tap on the series number. Tap Delete to erase the saved identity information and confirm the deletion. Repeat the steps of the initial write.